Told her how you dimmed my light. She held my words in velvet hands. The stars blinked, but they didn't hear. Only she could hold my fear. The secrets I share with the moon, locked in a golden vault so soon. She keeps her heart safe in mine, a sacred bond. No ties unwind. Her glow wrapped me in soft embrace, a witness to this fragile space. She promised silence, no one will know, a silver promise that binds us tight. The moon and I in endless night, your shadow fades, but she remains through every tear, through every strain. The secrets I share with the moon, locked in a golden vault so soon. She keeps her heart safe in mine, a sacred bond. No ties unwound.